everyone, this is Hems, a Swiss lathe manufacturer. I'm Sonia. Today, I'd like to discuss with you the shock absorption technology of Swiss lathe. Vibration damping technology mainly refers to the integration of vibration damping materials or designs in the machine bed and the guideway system to reduce the impact of cutting vibration on accuracy. The main damping components are Swiss lathe castings, which are used to take up most of vibrations during the cutting process. Secondly, the guideway as the support of the moving part of the machine tool. Its vibration damping characteristics directly affect the machine accuracy. There are also spindles, bearings hoses, vibration damping pads, and so on. There are some specific embodiments of vibration damping technology in Swiss lathe. All of these enhance the precision of Swiss lathe in production.